Listen up, tech family. There are thousands of phones flooding the market right now, iPhones ruling the roost, Samsung flexing like nobody's business, and Chinese brands dropping budget bombs left and right. But remember that feeling of absolute trust. When we buy a phone without overthinking it, toss it around for years, and it never once let out a single ouch. Yeah, I'm talking about Nokia. But hold up, this is not the Nokia you grew up with. Today, I'm about to show you something that'll make your current phone look like a dusty brick from 2010. I'm talking about the all-new Nokia Play 2 Max 5G. We've got a 300 megapixel camera that'll make your eyes pop out, a battery so massive it'll set you free from wall hugging, and a Snapdragon processor so dangerous it's never been seen before. People were saying Nokia was dead and buried. Well, in today's video, I'm proving that this lion didn't just come back, it's about to starve the entire smartphone industry. If you're thinking about upgrading your phone in 2026, pause right there. After watching this, your decision is about to do a complete 180. So smash that like button and tell me, are you ready for this mega unboxing? Let's dive into the most ambitious, most explosive, and most unique phone in Nokia's history. Time's wasting, let's go. Design and display, let's kick things off with the design, and wow, this thing is a head-turner. Nokia's rocking a distinctive X-shaped camera array with 4 lenses, giving it that premium, futuristic vibe that screams I'm different. Right there on the camera module, you've got that iconic Zeiss logo shining bright, a promise of next-level photography and optical quality that'll make your jaw drop. The back panel, matte finish, baby, sleek, professional, and fingerprint-resistant. Nokia's classic logo sits proudly on the rear, reminding you of that legendary durability we all fell in love with. Now let's talk about the screen, the very first thing you see every morning and the last thing you stare at every night. This isn't just a slab of glass, folks, this is a poster from a sci-fi blockbuster. We're looking at a massive 6.95-inch 2K Plus punch-hole Super AMOLED display. And when I say 2K Plus, I mean 3210 x 1440 pixels of crisp, jaw-dropping sharpness. So much detail that if you zoom into a photo, your eyes will literally say, "Boss, just retire us already." This isn't a screen, this is a portal to another dimension. HDR content, that's now therapy. The blacks are so deep you could drown in them, and the whites are so bright you could watch your phone in Arizona's blazing heat without breaking a sweat. Whether you're chilling in the freezing cold of Alaska or sweating it out in Death Valley's scorching sun, this screen won't let you down, it'll lift you up. But here comes the real magic, 144 Hz refresh rate. Scroll through your feed and it'll feel like you're gliding on silk. Instagram, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, watching content is now an art form. Gamers, listen up, 480 Hz touch sampling rate. Your finger won't even finish thinking about tapping, and this phone has already made the move. Lag, hang, puh lease, that's ancient history. And protecting this masterpiece, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 3. Keys in your pocket, coins in your bag, accidentally drop it, stress less, this phone is as indestructible as a tank. Camera setup. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the camera system that's got the entire industry shook. Folks, I've never seen a camera module this massive on any phone. It looks like the engine of a spaceship. Buckle up, because here it is, the world's first 300 megapixel giant sensor. 300, yes, 300, this isn't a phone, this is an observatory. You know what that means. You can count the stitches on a batsman's gloves from the other end of a baseball stadium. 100x digital zoom. Say goodbye to blurry moon shots, you can now take selfies with your friends on the moon. But the real magic happens at night. Nokia's legendary Pure View Pro technology is back, baby. With 16:1 pixel binning, this beast captures so much light in the dark that your photos will look like they were shot in broad daylight. Night stage shots without flash, no problem. Night landscapes without stress, easy. Every single photo looks like a movie poster. But wait, there's more. The 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens gives you a 122-degree field of view that captures the entire world in one frame. Turn around and you'll feel like the universe just squeezed into your shot. The 48 megapixel periscope telephoto delivers 5x optical zoom that brings distant objects right to you without losing a single detail. Portrait mode, that creamy DSLR-style bokeh will make you look like you hired a professional studio. And the 8-megapixel micro lens opens up 5 cm macro photography that captures flower petals, ant whiskers, and raindrops in mind-blowing detail. Now for the selfie lovers out there, big news. A 50-megapixel autofocus front camera means your friends in the back row of group selfies will actually look crystal clear. Night selfies. The colors stay rich and vibrant. Performance. Now the big question, what's powering this sky-high camera and magical display? Is this some vintage soul trapped in a modern body? Absolutely not, folks. Beating at the heart of this phone is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6, a 2nm, generation-defining processor. This is the most powerful mobile chipset on planet Earth. Whatever you're thinking right now, this phone already did it. Editing 8K videos, easy. Running 50 apps simultaneously. Child's Play, PUBG and Genshin Impact at 120 FPS on max settings. This phone flies without breaking a sweat, without stuttering, without even getting hot. Paired with 16GB LPDDR6 RAM and 512GB UFS 4.0 storage, data transfers at the speed of lightning. And here's the killer feature, thermal management. All that power generates heat, right? Nokia slapped in a super phase change vapor chamber, a liquid cooling system that works just like your AC. Melts and freezes, keeping your phone ice cold no matter what you throw at it. Software, pure, stock Android 17, zero bloatware. Nokia's promise of a smartphone, smart experience has reached its peak. Battery life. Now listen, if your phone doesn't have juice, it's just an expensive paperweight. Nokia completely changed the game with a 9000 mAh battery. Yes, 9000. This isn't just a number, this is a guarantee. Heavy usage, gaming, camera, streaming, navigation, all of it at once. Still lasts a day and a half. Light usage, pushing 2 days easily. Say goodbye to power banks forever. And when you do need to charge, 120-watt hypercharge, 0 to 100% in just 25 minutes. That's the time it takes you to brew and sip your morning coffee, and your phone is fresh and ready to go. Oh, and 50-watt wireless charging is also on board, juice up without cables in record time. Price and launch date. Now for the moment everyone's been waiting for, the part where you're thinking, all this power must cost a kidney. If I told you this thing could easily sell for $1,800, you wouldn't even blink, because it absolutely destroys iPhones, Samsung S series, OnePlus Pro models, and everything else in the ultra-premium category. But Nokia just pulled off a miracle. According to leaks and industry insiders, this beast is launching at a starting price of just $899. $899 for everything that other companies wouldn't dare offer under $1,200. This is straight up chaos, a pricing gift in a specs. Sunimo. Launch date. Nokia hasn't dropped the official date yet, but the buzz is loud. This tornado is touching down by the end of 2026. So start saving up now, because when this drops, the entire market is about to start crying. So tell me, tech family, how do you feel about this monster from Nokia? Do you want this beast in your pocket? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.